My goodness. Control V. Okay. I have to close it with a semicolon.
Yes, yes, yeah, semicolon.
Do I have to do the same thing with the
No, 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 not,
Java home?
no, 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 not for that one. Only this one.
Okay. 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 I did it actually. So
Uh,
it should apply now, right? So what I have to do in the shell? I have to say Java minus version. Huh?
yeah, Java minus version.
Java minus version. Yeah, I got it. I got it, Varun. Thank
Got
you.
it? Okay, no problem.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you, Varun, for your time.
yeah, thank you. Okay, that's okay. And we'll see how so Maven is installed, Maven installation. And once Java is done, so we already set the path, then we will install Maven. So Maven, we already gone through the site, whatever we have discussed, and if you see it, and there is a Jenkins installation, and then so you see how to go to this path. So this is basically it's a guide. It's a very simple one. So that is why we are going to this one. Okay, download Maven and then go to bin, Apache bin, download without any issues. Okay, removing Maven. It's already installed. So same thing is also for Maven. So we downloaded the Maven right now, and then I'll unzip it. Okay, and make it as a Maven for simply. Is it okay, or shall I remove everything and I'll do the fresh?
Is your Apache also set? If it is set, please show us again.
Yeah, so Apache Maven, and then so this is installable path. I downloaded this one. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
downloaded Apache path, and again I'll go to the path. So same my computer, and then properties, and then advanced system settings, and then environment variables, and then so see Maven home.
Okay.
So I
So
copy. Sorry.
after installing Maven, we have to set the path.
Yeah, after installation, because see path means where you have down, where you have installed or where you have copied, right? So after installation only we will let you know. So what is the path and where is it installed, right? So I copied to C users DevOps and then Maven. So I gave that path. Okay, and then again same thing I have to do it for this one. What is that path? Path I have to edit it, and then I have to give Maven bin till Maven bin. It is already there. See, it is already there. C users DevOps Maven bin. So that is why it is working fine. Okay,
Okay.
getting it? Getting, or shall I remove and then do it again?
We will try now, Varun.
Yeah, so just try it at your end. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise if you want to let me know, we'll do it fresh. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so I installed Maven, and then so I'll go to the next step. The next step is so So I have to create the directories because we already discussed Maven will create the directories. Okay. So there is a command called Maven archetype generate, and then you have to just go to the path wherever you want. Like here, what is it? No, it's Windows, right? Yeah. Here and then DevOps already is down there, and CD Maven Java. So in Maven Java I have something, so I'll remove it. C directory and then users and then DevOps and then Maven Java. So I gone to this folder. Okay, I'll remove entire thing, whatever there is there that inside. So here, whatever you like, you can give it here. Just copy and then go to Maven Java and then so give whatever you want. So we already discussed group ID means always is company com dot my company dot your project. Group ID means company dot com dot my company dot uh, application name or product name. Artifact ID is your application, complete application. So whatever the application is. Suppose if I say my application is, so I am creating a web app application. Okay, web app or web logic. You can say web logic. And then I'll say com dot my company IBM dot my app. So your group ID is com dot IBM dot my app. If you say this one, so it will generate the complete directory structure. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go to the Maven Java. See web logic. There is a web logic application. Inside that, entire source code is there. How your the classes is defined. So see Maven Java, sorry main Java. Inside Java, your Java. So your com dot IBM dot my app. You see the Java app dot Java is there here. If you just say and then so you go to Maven and then compile. Yeah, so we have to go to that pom.xml path. Okay, cd logic and the dir. Yeah, here pom.xml is there. Maven compile. Yeah, so it is not compiling because we are using a JRE instead of JDK. So if you want to compile, you have to use a JDK. Okay, so we will do one thing. Maven verify. Yeah, so still it is saying JDK is required. So basically these are the some of the commands: Maven verify and then Maven install and then Maven deploy. Getting right? Okay. Getting right?
Yeah.
Tell me if you have any questions. Maybe so here cd main dir and cd java and dir cd pom and dir cd ibm and dir cd my app and dir and you will see here app.java. So if I say java c app.java, so it is not working because JDK is not there. Okay, so but this is the way of compiling code and then running Maven commands. So okay. So here wherever pom.xml is exist, there only you have to say whatever you want to say. You can say from there only. Maven deploy. So as we discussed, is the local repository always in C program files for users and the DevOps, and then this is your local repository. Okay, M2 repository is local repository. So M2 repository is local repository. Whatever everything is required, then it will download here. Okay, so M2 repository is your local repository. So it will download from here. Suppose if I remove JUnit, let us see what will happen. I removed the JUnit. Okay, now I am saying never deploy. See, it is downloading the JUnit. Did you see? JUnit come again, right? So whatever something is again, if I am trying again now, so it will get the JUnit plugins from local repository itself. So if I delete here, so what will happen? If I delete here, as we discussed yesterday, if I delete here and then if I run Maven compiler deploy, sorry, either Maven install, then what it will do, it will download that JUnit from the central repository. See, it is downloading, right? It is downloading. So downloading from the central repository. So you see, JUnit again
Okay.
come into the
I have
picture.
one doubt here.
Sorry?
Installing JDK on my system, do I need to do something else or
Same
just
thing.
install it so that it will work as a
Same thing. Same
just
thing.
install it, right?
JDK means Java home means you have to give the JDK path instead of JRE path. So you have to give the JDK path, and then you have to say Java C. So check whether this is working or not.
Okay. You don't need to set the path.
No, no, same path. You have to give the same path, whatever the path is there. So let me, otherwise you will
Okay.
download here also.
Actually, I downloaded. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, no problem. So you can download it. And download kit.
Do I have to set JDK under home variable also? Correct
JDK,
me if I'm wrong.
JDK?
Underscore home. Do I have to set JDK home also?
No, 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 no. Inside
I need,
Java home variable and value, right? Value you have to give the JDK path.
that's in the path only I have to do, right?
Yeah, that's in path.
Sorry, just correcting myself.
No, it's okay. That's you have to add in that JDK path. We'll see just one. We'll see that also. Not a problem.
This one,
Yes.
earphones పెట్టుకోలే చపాతీ తిన్నా
Yeah, so JDK is there. So JDK is downloaded and then so where is it? Yeah. So just install it. JDK. So has to work right now. Let us see. So Java C doesn't install. You have to check Java C is there. Java C doesn't there. See, Java C is not there. Java C is not there, so it won't work.
Varun,
Yeah, tell me please.
no, why are we looking at Java C? I think JDK requires only the Java, right?
Sorry?
You can check with Java. No, why are we looking at Java C? You can just check Java version and that's enough to go ahead, right?
So Java version is it?
Yeah. Go to the command line and fire Java version.
Mixed mode. Okay. Okay. It's not working. Java. Okay. So yeah, so we are running through Java runtime environment, so that is why it's not compiling. But these are the basic commands like Maven compile and then Maven deploy and then Maven verify. So these are the commands we have to use, and then we have already seen. So suppose if you want to generate any directories, so out of it, you have to just say what is archetype, and then you have to just give the group ID and then archetype. We can say Maven archetype generate.
Like pom.xml file here, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So can we see that on the web browser? Like
yeah. So we go to the format itself.
we only have to we compile, or we can see now.
Yeah, format itself. This is the Maven. Yeah, this is the format itself. Yeah. See format XML. So we have a project tab, mandatory tag, and then model version, and then group ID is a com.ibm.myapplication, and then artifact ID is a WebLogic, and then packaging is a jar, which one you want to create, and then version is a 1.0 hyphen snapshot because still development is going on, and name is equal to WebLogic name. So and then URL HTTP URL http maven apache.org means that is central repository because if you are not getting any files here, then it will go and get the files from the central repository. And dependencies also we have seen dependencies, and inside the dependencies there is a dependency, and then group ID is a JUnit, and then artifact ID is a JUnit again, and version equal to 3.8.1, and scope equal to test. Only JUnit is a only testing purpose. Suppose if you want to search for any other tool, like suppose if you want to use like Git, so let us try. Where is it? Yeah. So go to the maven.org. So Maven plugins. You can take plugins whatever, copy the resource to the output directory for including in jar or surefire, run the unit test in the isolated class loader. Plugins. So so these are the some of the tools like PMD tools, like Sonar Cube. So using Sonar Cube, so you can use some your validate your code checking tools are there. You can use even SCM or Eclipse also you can use it. So these are the plugins. So if you suppose if you want to Maven clean is there, right? So let's check.
Varun, I have installed JDK also. I have Java C in my JDK directory.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So how do I set the path? So I have to go there where the Java C is and I have to set the path.
No, that is yeah path. Yeah, path means bin path, right? So you have to just give the bin path. You have to just give
Bin
the
path.
bin path. Same.
Okay. So in the path variable, after the comma, I have to give the variable value as this particular Java JDK bin path, right? Am I
Yeah, yeah,
correct?
correct. You mean bin path after semicolon. After semicolon. So you have to give the bin path, and then last at the end also you have to give the semicolon.
Semicolon. Okay. I'm trying. Still, I'm getting an error actually. That is, it is telling that I don't have Java compiler.
Yeah, so you have to find the Java C actually. If you don't find Java C, so it won't compile.
I found the Java C in my computer. I have given the path as you said.
Same path you have.
When I'm typing Java C in the command line,
Uh-huh.
I'm getting the same that there is no Java compiler available.
No, so you
Like I'm
just
getting Java C
go.
is not recognized as internal or external command.
So do one thing, just to in command prompt, go to the Java C path and then from there you just enter Java C. Let us see.
Okay. Yeah, it's working. From
Yeah.
there it is working.
Working means is your path is not correct.
So the path is not correct. That is what you're telling me.
Yeah, yeah, path is not
Do
correct.
I? Oh, do I have to have Java and JDK both in the same
No, no.
directory?
So just go to the Java home. In the Java home, so you have a name and value, right? What is the name? Name is a Java underscore home, right?
Yes,
And
Java underscore home is
name.
JR is directory, right?
No, no, don't
Oh,
use
that
JDK directly.
So Varun,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, tell me.
with JDKs, so in Java underscore home, you have to
Mhm.
define the environment variable for the JDK path,
Yes,
right,
correct,
where the
correct.
JDK is installed,
Correct.
and for the and the binaries for the JDK,
Mm-hmm.
right, you have to define the path, right, to the end of the system variable or to the system path.
Correct, correct, right.
wait. But it's not working.
No, no, so in system path, what you have given? Path, there is a path, right? In that path also you have given Java C path, where Java C
I
is
have
Java C is
no, no.
available.
I have set a Java home variable where it point out to the JRE directory. The path I have I have for Java bin and I have a path for my JDK also. Both
Can
I have.
can you send me the chart? So what is the path you have given?
So Shailaja, where you define this path? In the
In
Java
so
underscore home or the
Path in the
system path?
environment variable.
Java
I have
underscore
defined
home, yeah, Java underscore home, you have to give the path till the JDK and its version. And then in system path, you have to give till the bin.
So where have you defined Shailaja this one? Did you define in system path or the Java underscore?
I have defined in the system path itself, right? You have to do it in the environment variables. That is
It
what
should
I did.
work then. Yeah.
Yeah, it should work there. That's it.
That is what I didn't understand why it's not working.
Can you send me that chart? What you have
What do you want me to send?
that chart? What is the path and its pathway, the name and its value?
Okay, I'll send. Mhm. This is where my JDK is, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is where my JDK is. And And this is where I have both my Java and JDK. Okay. So in x86 also it's there, but I have now set this part. Let me check.
Yeah, just try that. Maybe you have downloaded 64-bit or something like that.
Okay, okay. I think so. I might have downloaded.
Yeah.
Mine is a 64-bit computer only.
Yeah, then go for the success.
X86 you want me to do?
Yeah.
So I'll try. I'll try and get back to you if I have any doubts.
Okay, for sure.
When I'm installing the Java, no, my system is 64-bit. I have downloaded the x86 version. It installed in both the program files. There is a x86 program files and there is a normal program files. It installed in both. That means it's working for both, right?
No, I think maybe you installed twice. You installed both, is it?
I didn't install twice. I only installed once.
Okay, then maybe something somewhere it is wrong. Okay.
Okay. Varun, I'll try and I'll
Yeah,
get back to you on this, okay?
yeah,
Because I want my system to be working with the Java environment. If in the future I want to do with Maven also, I
uh,
have to work with this Java environment, right?
correct, correct.
So I want, yeah, I'll try my best and I'll get back to you on this.
Sure, sure, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so please send me an email if you are finding any errors or if you are facing issues. Okay?
Sure,
Yeah,
sure. Next, otherwise I'll update you on Monday.
yeah, sure.
It's tomorrow the class is not there, right?
Yeah, tomorrow is not there, only on Monday. From Monday onwards.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll wind up. Okay.
So
Varun,
can you show us how to build the Maven and all that on Monday?
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
Sure.
like now it's giving an error, right? On
Yeah,
Monday, if you get just show us how it works, that install and compile and Maven site and all that
sure, sure. Yeah,
thing.
yeah. JDK, I'll install the JDK. So
Sure.
that's
I'll also try in my laptop and get back to you. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you for your time today.
Varun,
Thank you.
Varun,
Yeah, tell me this.
strange here. Do you have something in something on Linux?
So,
How to Maven install Maven in Java and
Maven and Java, is it? Yeah. So the next class we will see. So definitely we'll see next class.
well, if you have it, then you can email me as well. I mean, I'll just
Sorry.
if you have it, you can just email me. I'll try it on the weekend.
Sure, sure. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
And one more request, Varun, if you have like for this we had a prerequisite of Java, right? If
Correct.
we have something like this, you tell us in advance so that we will try to get our system ready for
Yeah. So
the
for
workout.
because Maven is basically it depends on Java, so you need a Java,
That's why.
and for Tomcat also you need a Java, and the Jenkins also you need a Java.
That's what. So
Yeah.
Java is compulsory, right? So we
Yeah.
will definitely take time for that if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Varun.
Thank you.